This episode of Ranger Rants is brought to you by Henshin Classics, the throwback video on demand that will take you to the past.
Before I start this rant, I just want to say it like this. Power Rangers Ninja Steel premieres on January on Nickelodeon. Anyways, let's start the round. Evil spirits, more like devil scripts. Oh my goodness. This concept is a bunch of failure. This concept involves evil monsters who adapt the powers from the dark side. Do you know why I hate the concept? It keeps on controlling abuse power for too long. Do you know who likes the concept? Reva Repulsa, Lord Zed, Breckenslage. And do you know who hates this concept? Me, Preston, Calvin, Haley, Sarah, Jason, Tommy, and other Power Rangers. So screw evil spirits. And screw the danger news. Peace and mankind is 100% better than evil spirits. End of rant. And if you want to request some of my rants, comment below. That's all for now. This is Brody, Ninja Steel Red Ranger, over and out.